love it here. I'm at Sue's Junk Antique Mall, and no, I didn't get a floor decanter. I am so pumped. Oh, Dagny's texting me. I'm at the Theater Antique Mall in Columbia. Ooh. Well, I'm at Sue's Junk in Huntington, West Virginia. I've never been here before. Let's go in and check it out. I'm not sure if I need a card, but I'm getting a card anyway. Ooh, Blanco, 30 bucks. This is kind of wild. Really eclectic grouping here. Fairy lamp, not my thing. Well, we found our first area of interest. Jade oak mug, 1850. Cup and saucer, 20 bucks. All right, let's stop pretending like we're not trying to just look at what's going on here. Prices are right where they need to be, it looks like. And what's that? 69.60. Huh, that's cool. Amongst the excitement, I forgot to pick up the black fattened bird. Hand painted, $35.50. That's a good price. It's even signed, but a little close for me. I'm a little cheap. What's happening over here? I see mid-century candlesticks. Pilgrim glass, lots of pilgrim glass. That's a cool decanter. Super strange clown earring holder. Into that. I love those earring holders. Though clowns, like I've been saying, you already know, kind of hit or miss. It's really, really eclectic in here. I'm super into it, even though I haven't found anything yet. What are those dogs? Are those toothbrush holders? How fun are these guys? $49. Yeah, for the pair. They're usually spendy. Although I've never seen that exact style. Those are cool. They're in great condition too. What's happening here? It's like a lampshade. That's cool. $8. I mean, come on. Little Amberina pitcher. Does that say $85? I think it does. Just kidding. Some of the places I've been going to, I feel like I've been getting catfished online. When I get there, the photos look nothing like the place. This is the exact opposite. It's way better here than the photos let on. Oh, that's Chip. Just kidding. I was going to pick those up. Those are good ones. Super regal cat picture. Oh, I think that booth just became free. Gotta check out the glass. 28, 20. Nothing's really screaming at me. Whole lot of glass back here. Let's see. The Humpty Dumpty mug, that says 26. That's a little spendy. What about this little Amberina picture? I like the shape of that. Although I have a few things like this I've picked up along the way. 12 bucks, yeah. I've gotten mine for less. Whoa. All right, so they all look broken. And they're priceless. Priceless and broken, right? Or is it like a whole set or something? Not sure I want to mess with this. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. Really nice Murano though. Oh, it said flash flood warning, and I was like, that's weird because it looks fine outside. Well, the rain just came. How about the cobalt owl? 50 bucks. This is really interesting. Look at this little bird. Oh, it's like an Avon perfume. Oh my gosh. Ew, I can't believe I touched that. Gosh, I hope I don't get stuck in tornado round 2. I love these glass ashtrays. I actually have a few of them. I picked up a bunch for like $1 each, and a bunch of them sold, and then I got stuck with a few, so no more for me. All right, let's see. Northwood glass bowl, $30. Put these glass egg. Oh, I like the ones with the stars. Put those in carefully. Okay, here we go. Round true. True. Gosh, I can't even talk. This is so cool. Oh, crap. That's why it's so cheap, duh. Wow. A lot of amazing West Virginia glass. Now we're talking. That's gorgeous. 45 though. I don't know if I can do anything with that. It's not signed, which surprises me. It's so pretty. That's gonna bother me. That's the thing that's gonna bother me. And I don't even really like paperweights that much. This is neat. I've never seen this color. PV France, Westmoreland, made in France. Very different. I did not know that. I learned something new. What's this fabulous duck? He's great. He's got a little wear on the tip of his nose, though. Oh, I picked up one of these the other day. I don't like to have, like, I don't know, too many of something. Ooh, over here, just out of curiosity, 38. Not bad. I think since I'm so close to Blanco, though, I'd have to find a piece that I really couldn't find down the street at Blanco. Look at this, how funny. Dice bracelet. Oh, and the magic 8 balls. That's so funny. I normally don't go for the cranberry, but this one's really pretty. Fenton, 29. Daffodil vase. That's not a bad price. It's an almost for me. Big Blanco. Look at this little ring holder. And there's 4. These are cute. They look like little lovebirds. Ooh, the dresser box. $68 though. Now this is a really cool color combo. Wow. That's so neat. Decanters, Scandinavian art glass. Oh, that Blanco apple is such a cool color combo. But I don't need it. Look at this up here. Oh, it's a pitcher. I thought it was a vase. Never mind. It's not worth grabbing. I was going to investigate. Really cool old medical bottles. Or is that a reprint? I think that's a reprint. Just kidding. Can be hard to tell sometimes. Now in here, does this open easily? It does. Ooh, and it comes with a light. Green clear controlled bubble paperweight. Well, that's cool. 25 on that. That seems like a good deal. Is that Joe St. Clair? 45. What is up with the elephant? Fenton elephant, $41. Really pretty. Love that color. It almost looks like neodymium glass. I don't think it is, though. And little mini Blanco cowboy hats. That's cool. I usually have just seen them in these giant shapes. I mean, giant sizes, not shapes. It's the same shape, just bigger. And you know, I love these ashtrays. They weigh like 100 pounds. Oh my gosh. Oh, you could work out with that. Well, I'm surprised to say I walked out of there empty-handed. I really liked that paperweight with the heart, and the Blanco yellow apple was super neat too. But our journey doesn't end here, so I'm gonna hop in the car, go back down the street, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Well, I've been having a grand old time kind of shopping the little shops by myself in peace here, but I'm ready to go back to a big antique mall. At least the hail stopped. Yes, there is the most epic Blanco vase in here, as well as 2 black glass cats and a weirdo dog. So let's go to our next stop. A little bit of mixed reviews on this place, but let's check it out. We're at the Peddler's Mall in Huntington, West Virginia. What in the world is that thing? See, I like places like this. Even if I don't find anything, it's kind of fun that it's a completely mixed bag. Makes it more exciting when you do find something. See, like, this is gorgeous. Like, what? $55. It's really pretty. Wow. And I don't normally flock to the porcelain, but this one's kind of pretty, although that's applied, not hand painted. Well, what do we have here? Check this guy out. Crazy Blanco vase, $147. I don't think I could get too much more out of that. It's pretty awesome though. Oh, the Jack in the Pulpit. That's my vice. And a really nice 5-finger there. 34 on that. Not a bad price at all. Really fun stuff. Oh, look at these little bears back here. How great are they? 3-piece set, 25 though. I feel like there's definitely some bears missing. Some cats. We like cats. 11 bucks each. Ooh, what are these ones? These guys are awesome. And they have ladybugs. Set of 4 though. There's one missing. That's a shame. Let's see if the other missing cat, maybe someone snatched a cat. We gotta, what are they called? Cat burglar. Actually, it's not that funny. Here it is. Goble, set of 4, $13 with the ladybugs. That's a yes. Yeah, one of those alone sells for more than $13. All right, and over here, I see a nice little green vase. 25. Looks like Westmoreland. This place is absolutely huge. I've gone all the way to the back and I'm working my way up front. I feel like that's kind of the move. All right, now over here, obviously the first thing I notice is this glass mushroom. $26, polished base. That's a yes. I was not expecting to find a polished base on that, I'm not gonna lie. Very nice. My basket is a little precarious, so I'm kind of moving in slow motion. Of course, now that I'm all the way at the front, I don't want to work my way all the way back. Oh my gosh. Dagny, you're welcome. Look at this crazy glass snake. Signed Moretti. Of course. Very cool. Look at these owls. What? Dude, what? They're straight chalkware. Wait, stop. The freaking slag glass lampshade is $21. It's a swag lamp, but still. Dude, what is happening back here? The owls are amazing. I kind of have my owl. Look at the Rolling Stones. The mirror in the wood frame, $26? Dude, what? Someone needs to come here and get all this stuff. You're welcome. I'm leaving it. Look, this looks like it could be something important too. I don't want to mess with that though. I don't know my way about that stuff. Oh my gosh, this is so wild. Wow, look at that vase. That's crazy. There's a lot of crazy stuff in here. I love this lady figurine. I don't have much luck with those though, and she's $20. Look at this little elf planter. I'm trying to sneak in here. Oh. Oh, it's not a planter, it's just a figurine. $15 though. That might be a little close. Whoa, what do we have here? $150. Robert Ham. Wow, that looks very expensive. I like that it's just like sitting chilling there. I'm stuck. This vase is kind of cool. Not as cool as that though. Look at this wild bird. Viking glass, $30. That's a pass for me. Wow. Really gotta pay attention to what's around you here. And then look at this little ballerina. She's so sweet. $13. That's a little close for me. Look at those little guys up there. How cute. Oh. I don't have much luck with the praying kids. I love the spaghetti poodle, but it's at 12, which is a little close for the white one, the single white one for me in that size. That's kind of wild looking. Love the blow mold bunny bank, but that's at 20. That's about what I usually sell those for. Jadeite bowls, reproduction, but still. Look at this little weird thing they made. How cute is that? The Flea marquee. That's amazing. Really cute. Back here, see some more rainbow glass. 25 on the one I like though. This is a cute booth, but there's one thing that actually really interests me. It's this, the fur-lined pot. Pee-wee. That's really weird. I need that. Yeah, this thing is so weird. And it's also $6, so that's gonna come home with me. I feel like that lives with me now. All right, another little nook. Little left-in ashtray. Bohemian glass. What's this little weirdo over here? Oh my gosh, those mugs. We're gonna have to look at those. She's so strange. American Beauty's Japan, $20. Very cool. If it was a little bit less, I'd get it. And pair of mugs, $45. Interesting. No wonder I like them. I have expensive taste. Dude. The lamp. It's $40. In my head, it's $40. In real life, it's $20. Does the cord look like it works? Cause like, I have epic shade for this lamp. Which one looks safer? Dude, I kind of need this. For $20? Like, it's glittery. It's a giant glittery bubble genie lamp thing. I think this one might be the safer bet. It's also harder to get to. But, oh my God, it weighs 100 pounds. Hold on. And on this episode of How Many Lamps Can I Buy? That's pretty, but a little underwhelming. To be fair, I have a perfect shade for it. Jadeite turkey. Seems important. $140. Okay, moving on. Whoa! Dice lamp. Very cool. Well, it's not that rare, but it is rare to find it in such good condition. At that price, though, $79, I'm gonna leave it. A little pocket of costume jewelry. Only bangle I see is wood. I'm starting to feel that feeling where I'm kind of done for the day. I've had a lot of stimulation, of course. As soon as I say that, I see like a booth that is in the distance that looks entertaining. What's this little paperweight? $12, polished base, really nice. And of course it's pouring rain again. This is the other thing that kind of intrigues me. It's really neat. I've never seen that before. $45. I'm gonna send a picture of that to a friend. Hey, check out this vase. $7. That's really different. I don't like the top though. It gives me a bad feeling. This is a great wall pocket. Look at the color on that. Made in USA, ceramic, $8. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that. And also look at the ship one. The ship one's only $5 and it's made in Japan. Really cool. Great condition too. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take both of these things. So it turns out the decanter is actually IVV glass, not Viking. Looks like they list for about $80. This is so weird. Okay, I can let that go. It's brand new. Weird sailor thing. Okay, I need to stop. I'm done. Good grief. I spent $92 minus $28 for something for me and something for Dagny. And I think I'm shopped out for the day. I cannot believe I still haven't even left for home. My Fiesta's looking a little packed, but I'll see you guys at my next stop whenever or wherever that may be.